And we are officially stopped. Oh, there's a honk. Oh, and he goes around.
Mississippi. Oh, wow, that's not bad. Oh, who's this person, too?
Oh. He stopped and looked at me. He stared right at me. Oh my god. Wow.
That's some good videotaping. Did we get
Wow, I got the whole thing.
That's hysterical.
I got the
Okay.
wow. I'm recording.
You ready?
Yeah. And we are stopped.
1, 2,
So we have a few.
3.
Yep.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh, and she starts to go around.
8. Okay, so we only got.
Pretend you're looking for something. She's going right around.
Hey,
Not too bad.
Beep.
Not too bad.
Okay.
I'm not the reason that you go astray. We'll be alright if you don't ask me to stay.
I don't pop my head up.
I'll be the one to tuck you in at night. And if you want to leave, I can guarantee
Oh, there's a
you won't find nobody else like me.
She went, she comes, she comes.
Don't know how you met me.
She's gone.
Don't know.
What was the look coming by?
I didn't look. She didn't even look at us.
Funny.
Alright, here we go.
Fucking roll on my window. Fuck that. I'm rolling.
Stop swearing. The camera is on right now. Yep. Yep. Are you timing it?
What time we have
Stop swearing.
that? Yeah. That guy's time.
I can just do the time from the camera. Relax. Oh, long. Oh, and couldn't see the face.
Come on,
Oh, 3. We got 3. Was that Mr. Powers? I swear that was Mr. Powers.
No, ain't nobody care.
Target acquired.
What's the difference from what type of
I'm filming, by the way.
Alright, so alright, get ready. 2, 1. Officially stopped.
And we're stopped. I wonder if you can see.
Right now, the time every once in a while. 10.
Oh, I got a hand movement.
Okay. One hand movement. No beat though. First, just gonna flip. Oh, that's Nick Canetta.
Oh, there it is.
Wait, behind it.
What are you? It's Nick Canetta. It's Nick Canetta.
Oh, you should have done it,
And target acquired.
I'm not worried about the ring you wear, 'cause as long as no one knows, then nobody can care.
No beep.
You're feeling guilty.
Didn't even look. Huh.
You don't look
Interesting.
ashamed
He was kind of older. He was kind of older though. Yeah.
singing, follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at
Looks like you're doing it.
We've been here for about a minute now.
50 seconds.
We got another car coming up.
Fuck this.
She's so patient.
Is she being patient or is she being like,
Hey, the second car is about to go. Is she calling cops? What? Is she on the phone? Oh, there she goes. She pointed her phone out.
Won't give you money, I can't give you the sky. You're better off if you don't ask why. I'm not the reason that you go astray.
Well, I have an immediate Honk. Yeah, he just yelled move at me. And there he is.